In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect OneNote to Notion. We'll use Zapier to bridge the two apps so your notes can flow automatically from OneNote into Notion without manual copying. Start by heading to zapier.com. Once you're there, create a new Zap, Zapier's term for an automated workflow connecting one app to another. Every Zap has two parts, a trigger that starts the automation and an action that runs after. For the trigger, search for and select OneNote. Choose a trigger event, for example, new page and section, or new note. Pick the option that matches how you work, then connect your OneNote account. Zapier will prompt you to sign in with your Microsoft credentials and request permission to access notebooks. Approve the prompt. Next, configure the trigger details. Select the notebook and section you want Zapier to watch. Run a test on the trigger so Zapier can pull a recent note. If Zapier can't find anything, create a quick sample note in the chosen section and test again. Seeing real data here helps with mapping fields later. Now set up the action, search for Notion, select it, and pick an action event that fits your workflow, such as creating a page or adding a database item. Connect your Notion account by signing in and authorizing access to the workspace you'll use. If your target database doesn't appear in the list, open it in Notion and share it with the Zapier integration so it's available to select. With Notion connected, choose the specific page or database where new items should land. Map fields from OneNote to Notion. For instance, send the OneNote page title to the Notion title property, body content to a text or rich text field, and the created time to a date property if you track it. You can also add static text to keep your entries consistent, like tagging them with imported from OneNote. Finally, run a test from Zapier to make sure the OneNote trigger data reaches Notion and creates the correct record. Review the result in Notion to confirm formatting, database properties, and placement look right. If something's off, adjust the mapping and retest until it's perfect. Once your test looks good, your connection between OneNote and Notion is ready to go. From now on, whenever your chosen OneNote trigger fires, Zapier will create the corresponding entry in Notion automatically, saving you time and keeping your notes organized in one place.